Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need a working Google account, billing enabled, and an API key before you begin. Once those are ready, enable the Gemini Banana endpoint in the console and copy your key. This lets you authenticate. Next, install the client library or use curl so you can make requests from your environment. Make sure to set the key as Gemini KEY or use secure secrets. That prevents accidental leaks. Run a minimal test call to confirm connectivity and immediate feedback before moving forward. Now you build requests that control how Gemini Banana responds. You'll pick a model flavor and tune temperature, max tokens, and top P so outputs match your needs. Lower temp means more deterministic text. When crafting prompts, include a brief system instruction and a clear user request with examples so the model follows the pattern. If you have long text, chunk or use streaming to reduce latency and memory. Also, implement retry logic and respect rate limits to avoid dropped requests. Finish by validating the model's responses and adding post-processing like trimming, sanitizing, or formatting to fit your app. You should log prompts and responses securely for debugging and to iterate on prompt design. This helps reproduce results. When deploying, monitor latency, cost, and quota usage so you can scale appropriately. If something breaks, verify the API key, quota, model name, and request structure first. Most issues stem from authentication, exceeded quotas, or malformed JSON. So fix those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.